Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has gone head on head with now President William Ruto regarding his Mount Kenya visit and the Bodaboda riders who were there. He claims that the Bodaboda riders and the people were mobilized using cash. Peoples received 2,000 each and the Bodaboda riders were paid 3,000. So former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua claimed Bodaboda riders were paying 3,000 to attend President William Ruto's Mount Kenya tour. He described the region's support for Ruto as transactional, comparing to a business deal where locals welcome money, not the Linda. The Bodaboda Safety Associations of Kenya dismissed Gashagua's claims, calling them baseless political propaganda. They want politicians to keep their fuels away from the transport sector, insisting against being dragged into the field. A war of words has erupted between former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua and the Bodaboda Safety Association of Kenya. In a now viral KTN News interview aired on Monday, April 7, Gachagua claimed that the enthusiastic crowds at Ruto's rallies were the result of financial incentives rather than genuine support. Gachagua painted a picture of a heavily staged reception during Ruto's tour, claiming that locals were mobilized with cash incentives, including 3,000 for Bodaboda riders and 2,000 for women dancing. He further insinuated that attendees were coached on what to say, painting the president's tour as a staged political performance rather than an organic show of support. Yes, we asked our people to come out and welcome the president. You saw the number of buses, the mobilization, the Bondas, 3,000 each, the dancing women, 2,000 each. There was too much money, Gachagua claimed. He further alleged that the Mount Kenya region had agreed to engage with Ruto on a transaction basis, not out of support or affection, but purely for business reasons. We said, if anybody has money to bring to us, we take it, because even when you want to shop, you don't have to like your customer. What is important, if they have money to pay you, and describing the region's relationship with Ruto as a commercial and transactional. In a strongly worded statement, the association said it was disappointed by Gashagua's remarks, terming them political propaganda. The association, which represents thousands of riders across the country, rejected the idea that its members were co-opted or paid to attend Ruto's tour, warning political leaders to keep their battles out of the transport sector. They further cautioned leaders against using the Bodaboda sector and its actors to score political points. We strongly wish to disassociate ourselves from the pronunciations of former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, for our members were paid during His Excellency tour in Mount Kenya region. Hayo ni mambo yake ya kisiasa and we should not be dragged into it, stated. Earlier, Gachagua criticized Ruto's recent 5-day visit to the Mount Kenya region, dismissing it as a political spectacle rather than a genuine development initiative. Gachagua argued that the tour, which was widely publicized as a development drive, lacked any meaningful announcement or new project. According to him, the president merely recycled old plans and relaunched previously initiated programs. Gachagua accused Ruto of using the platform to repackage old ideas as fresh solutions, thereby misleading the public. So, the Bodaboda Riders Association of Kenya have come out to say that they were not bribed to go and attend President William Ruto's tour to the Mount Kenya region. We saw over 1 million Bodabodas in attendance of the president. I think they took the stage. They were even the ones who were leading the motorcade as the president toured the Mount Kenya region. So, Gachagua has gone head on head with them, and they have come out to call out big names for Gachagua and say that he should not associate them with his political wants, or he should not go with their names to go and gain numbers politically using them as an scapegoat. So, is Gachagua right or wrong? Or are the Bodaboda riders trying to defend the president? We all know and we are aware that President William Ruto is a gifting man. It's a man who will pay you to just shout his name. So, Gachagua, as has known this, and he has gone ahead and said that everybody who attended that political rally earned something to gain and was paid something. So they have come out and denied it. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment on the comment section. Let me meet in our next video. This is FM show.